So I just enabled the Miro connector and I told it to reverse engineer my project. So I thought that'd be interesting. I just bought the license for like $10, and it's like $10 a month, a starter license. And then I connected the MCP server that was just like running a command, this. And after that, I had to inside Claude code, I had to run this auth command. And this is like the name of the configuration setting, I think. And then this is the MCP server. So, and then basically you get a web browser authentication screen pop up. And after that, I was able to connect, and it's asking me what, like, where it should put the new board, and if it's gonna add them all on the same board or split them up, I guess. And it's planning on doing the AWS architecture with the Neo Core Control Plane and VisualForge product app. So that'll be interesting. All these serverless resources and the external providers. The data model, that'll be good in the application architecture. Open the board and you should see them across the canvas. I had some screenshot I was working on for something else, just about like the different phases and the improvements. So these are the diagrams it created. So this is a data model. So the user is like the main key, and then yeah, this like one user can have multiple subscriptions. I'm not sure. Like this might reveal some things. And then credits is good. Documents, image, job, music, job, voice, job, project, Visual Studio, social export, voice. So I think the metadata for these different objects is a little it's weird that it has job as a suffix. Like, so I don't know, I gotta look into that. I'm not really sure. And then on the architecture, there's a user, and then they go to the CloudFront CDN, and the request, the authentication request goes to Cognito, and then they log in, their request goes to the API gateway or the core API gateway or the product API gateway. And then there's Lambda interacting with DynamoDB, S3, Bedrock, Stripe, and SES and EventBridge. So those are the main components on the core side. And on the product side, it's the API gateway, Edge Authorizer, Lab Lambda, so the story, voice, image, music, video, motion video workers. There's like one for each type of these, and the step functions for the big complicated one that creates all the scenes for the FFmpeg videos. And then yeah, the AI providers work with the SQS. Oh yeah, all right. So here's the labs. There's two for this is like AI video, and then this is like the FFmpeg video with all the scenes. So these videos can be rendered in here in this like video studio thing. And these are the SQS workers, star generator, voice, image, music, motion video workers. Everything else is a generator. These are motion video workers. And video pipeline from the project. So yeah, you can either create one from Video Studio directly or one from the project sub wizard, and it'll actually like generate any of these things, I think, as well. And then these are the social exports, and it's like it's got the auth and the credits. Doesn't have anything about trends or some of the new features. So, but that's like a really good start at least. I mean, I wanted it like as high level as possible, and then maybe we can expand upon it. Like, I'm hoping to see like more fields in here too. All right, that's it for now.